Oh my god, snap. Oh guys, here comes the news. Yeah! 94, 87, 40, 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. What a great horn show, dude. What a great horn show. What a great horn show. Like, what? Alright. This is a big rail fanner here. That was a great NS horn show, baby. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So now it's time to wait for our next train. Or somewhat. See you guys on the next train. Oh, red signal. That calls for NS leaving station. Okay, I'll see you when the next train comes. Hold on, guys. I found something super weird right here. I go, what is this thing? What is this thing? What is this pink thing, dude? Okay, tell me in the comments what this pink thing is, because I'm not sure. I'm not going to step on this thing. Because this thing right here, hold on. It's a piece of, wait, is this a leash? No. Okay, I feel bad for them. Okay, I'll finally see you when a train comes. Really sorry about that. Why is there stuff everywhere? It's a cardboard platform. Okay, I'll finally see you when a train comes. So apparently I don't see anything. I'll see you then. Guys, this is the last thing and I'm going to show you another train. Guys, look at my smile now. It's so hilarious because, guys, I lost 2 baby tooth. It has been 19 days since I lost that other one. But still, I lost that other one yesterday. So, I'll see you guys when the next train comes finally. And I'll tell you guys when the green signal comes. And I'll show you guys if the green signal shows up, and then I'll show you the train. Alright, I'll see you when the train comes. Yay! So guys, if you are a person that doesn't know how safe distance is, this is like safe distance. This is not safe distance. This is not safe distance. Like, you see that? Okay. Just want to let you know, because if kids are watching this that don't even know what train safety is, I'm just going to tell you. That's how your train safety means. It can pull you right under. It's going to pull you right under that train. And if you were a little kid, especially stay behind that. Oh, look, the sun went down a little bit more. What a surprise. Now it's getting really dark. Guys, this is my drink. The last engineer probably thought I got this. It's called a Mountain Dew Slushie. Try it at Taco Bell right now. Try it at Taco Bell delivered from Grubhub. What is this? What is this? What the heck is that thing? Skip our cheesy conversation to 5:30. Hey, Mom! Mom! We might have a fire on Saturday. That's what Papa said, so I just asked him. He said maybe, so we might have a fire. Sounds good. Oh, what now? What, me? I'm waiting for trains. Oh,
Come here.
Mom.